Welcome back to One Crafty Ginger. I'm Mercedes. If you enjoy quick and easy craft and DIY projects, clearance finds, Dollar Tree hauls, and some rescue dogs, then you're in the right place. So today I have a fun video. It's a what did I get for Christmas video. So I thought I would share with you some of the highlights of my Christmas gifts that I got from my wonderful friends and family this year. I hope you enjoy. So let's dive right in. So from my daughter, I got this really cute Fanny Pack. I know, Fanny Packs, right? Like, wasn't this a thing like in the late 80s, early 90s? But here we go again. So anyway, so she got me this really cute black fanny pack. It has a zipper with all the space to put your goodies in. And then it has a zipper in the back if you want to hide your stash of stuff in there. It's super cute. It did come from Walmart, so it's just a Walmart multi-use waist pack or sling, so it's not like the bougie spendy ones that some people buy. So it's super convenient, so you can wear it like across your chest here or as a fanny pack. I'm probably just gonna wear it as a fanny pack because I'm old school like that. That way my hands can be free when I'm grabbing and growling at the thrift store. So I was pretty stoked to receive that. My daughter also got from me, and this might not seem like much, but to a crafter, you guys know, you get what I'm putting down, right? A box of cards and envelopes. And they're blank, and which is really cool because I'm going to decorate with these. So I thought I would start making cards, not just Christmas cards, but like Valentine's Day cards, Halloween cards, birthday cards, to either trade with other people for stuff or to sell. So this is pretty cool. It's a big old box. It's from Walmart. It's a 50 pack. Nice. Of cards and envelopes. So that I'm super excited to start crafting away and making my cards. And with my cards, I'm going to need something to get all the paper and everything on my cards. And so she got me some glue tape runner packs. She actually got me, I think, 2 packs of these, so there are 4 in each pack. Super spiffy, so that way when I'm adhering my paper or my embellishments and all my fun goodies on my cards, I have something to adhere it with. So I was pretty stoked about receiving those items. Let's see, so from one of my good closest friends from high school, I've known her since we were like in freshman, sophomore year of high school. Anyway, we go way back, and she travels all over the world. She is a world traveler, and I'm a little jelly. I wish I could travel the world, but she was in Italy this year, which lucky her. And so my Christmas gift from her is this gorgeous, I don't know if you could see it, necklace that I can make into a bracelet. I can wrap it around like an anklet. I can wear it as a long necklace. I can wrap it around as a double necklace. And she bought this in Italy. She was at a market and she saw it and she thought of me. And she knows me so well because it has blue, which is my favorite color. I mean, look at how gorgeous that is, you guys. Isn't that just one of the most beautiful things you have ever seen? So she always picks up the most coolest gifts, and I feel so lame. I sent her like travel bath toiletries because she travels. So I thought, hey, she travels. She could use travel toiletries for when she's traveling, and then she sends me something super splendid like this. I feel awful. Like I feel like I should send her something else. So thank you to my friend who got me that. I absolutely love it. And my tia, Lena, sent me this gorgeous little, speaking of traveling, little monogrammed travel case. And you put your jewelry in here. And she took the liberty of filling it up with some beautiful bits and baubles for me. So you put your rings, necklaces, earrings. And then it folds down even, so you could put more goodies in here. So that is so pretty. You know what? I should have been wearing those earrings. Like, they're so cute. I should have put them on. They would have looked really good. So I love it. It's pink and it's so pretty with M for Mercedes. Let's see. So from my parents, they sent me. Oh my goodness, you guys! I got spoiled. I will admit it. I got spoiled this Christmas. I'm sorry if I offend anybody. It's really cool. Doesn't happen all the time, but I'm pretty stoked about what I got this year for my parents for Christmas. So one of the coolest things I got, and this thing as a crafter thing, is a Sure Bond mini size glue gun. So it's got the fine tip, you guys. So when I'm hot gluing, like the narrow itty bitty little things, I can use this. So I'm not like gooping out a bunch of glue on there. I can just use this fine tip glue gun. So I am pretty stoked about that. And they sent glue sticks to go with it. So thank you. Thank you very much. So I was super excited to get my fine tip glue gun. They also sent me this gorgeous Stanley Cup. Not like hockey Stanley Cup, but like basic mom Stanley Cup. You know what I'm talking about? The basic mom. Every basic mom has like the Stanley Cup or a dupe. I have a really good dupe from Walmart. And I do, yeah. So this one is gorgeous. It is the rose gold. Super pretty. 40 ounce. Bigger than my head. Or maybe the same size as my head. Got a big head, y'all. I feel so weird. Like, I'm always like in pictures, I always feel like my head is way bigger than everybody else's head. I don't know. But anyway, I got a big head because look at it compared to the Stanley Cup. It's almost the same size. So I love this because I try really hard to be hydrated. So I will fill this up. My goal is to fill this up, or my dupe that I have, I fill it up like at least twice a day. I fill it with ice, and then I fill it with like water usually first thing, and then I'll switch over to like a soda or a like Arnold Palmer, which is an iced tea / lemonade mix, which is delicious. So I try to stay hydrated. So I was pretty stoked to get my Stanley Cup from my parents. And then they also got for me, which here in Utah, we get snow and we get a lot of rain. I don't have any rain boots. I got snow boots, but not really rain boots. So they got me these super cute duck boots. Look at them, you guys. So they got the rubber here at the bottom and the rubber soles and then like the leather. And they're the Sperry. They're the bougie ones, y'all. I got my bougie boots and my bougie cup. Like, how cool is that? Anyway, so they're super cute. So they're just a traditional tan. And you guys, I don't have to lace them up because there's a zipper on the side. So I could just slide my foot right in there and zip them up. So I was pretty stoked about getting those. So now when it rains, I have some rain boots to wear because I didn't have no rain boots before. So that is super fun. And last but certainly not least, my highlight gifts from my hubby this year. He ordered for me. I made an Amazon wish list and like he ordered stuff off of it. So he ordered me some hardener and resin from Art Resin. I use this on my rocks. As I mentioned in my previous video, I'm part of a rock group here in Utah. We paint rocks and hide them around town for other people to hide as a way to spread kindness to others. So this is Art Resin. So this is the kind that I usually typically use for my resin. You mix half hardener, half resin, equal parts, stir, 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 and then pour it over. It does take 3 days to cure. So like you pour it and then like you have to cover it because if stuff gets in there, like it'll stick and then become part of like the item that you painted. So you have to wait 3 days for it to cure, but when it's done curing, it's shiny and pretty. So I got some more of that. I love it. And a little bit goes a long way. So if you guys ever use resin or haven't used resin, a little bit goes a long way. You don't need a lot. He also ordered from me all the way from the United Kingdom, from England, a whole big bag of Cadbury Dairy Milk buttons. And if you guys have watched my videos, you know how I feel about European chocolate. Story time. I've actually been to the Cadbury factory in the United Kingdom. It was super cool. It was just like going to Willy Wonka's factory. It was so much fun. But I love these. So they are buttons. So essentially they're like little chocolate discs that are like the size of a nickel, maybe. Like, and they're so good. So he ordered like a whole big bag of these bad boys and had them shipped from England. So this was a huge like Christmas gift for me because I love my European chocolate. And then the last item that I'm going to share with you guys this evening is this super cute retro Bluetooth speaker and radio, so I can actually turn it to the radio station if I want to listen to the radio, but I can connect to it with my phone. And this will be really great to put in my craft room downstairs in the basement, so I can plug it in and connect to my phone and listen to music when I'm crafting and working downstairs. And of course, you guys know me, I'm a vintage gal, so it is a vintage inspired little speaker radio. How flipping adorable is that? Like, is that just not the cutest ever? So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my little video today. I hope you enjoyed seeing a little bit of what I got for Christmas, and I appreciate you guys spending some time with me today as always. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. It's completely free. It helps me out. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button and join my family. We have a lot of fun, laughter, shenanigans. It's your one-stop shop for your entertainment needs. Again, thank you so much for coming over. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, happy, healthy, and safe holiday season. And comment down below. Let me know which was your favorite item that I received. And also comment down below. Let me know what was your favorite item. Did you get a Christmas gift? Do you celebrate Christmas? Do you celebrate Hanukkah, Kwanzaa? Whatever you celebrate. Did you happen to get a special gift that you were just like, oh my goodness, this is the best gift that I got this year? So comment down below. I love to chat and interact with you guys and hear what you guys got this year for yourself. And until next time, goodbye.